For airplanes, what you're gonna do is start out doing a single leg deadlift. So you're gonna shift your weight to one side, hinge at your hips, making that leg straight back, not opening it up or letting your hip fall. Balancing on that one leg, reaching out as far as you can, and then you're gonna drop your pelvis towards that stance leg, and then opening it up to the sky. You can even put your arms out like an airplane. And now if you have trouble balancing during that, all you have to do is tap that back foot like a kickstand, and then you're going to twist towards the stance leg and away, really thinking about that glute med, driving that motion, lengthening it with that eccentric strength, and then squeezing that, contracting it on the opposite side.